on YouTube? Welcome back to another video with the House Money Investing channel. In today's video, we're going to go over 27 stocks, positions I just sold out of, as well as some principal pulled out of some of my accounts. And then we also got some crypto for you guys, and I got some nice stock picks for you. If you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell if you would like to follow my journey. Look at the description below if you want to see exactly what this channel is all about and what I do here. Also, I have some affiliated links. I have 4 different ones if you want free stocks or some free cash. Also, follow me on any social media platform that's in the link below. So let's jump right into it. First here we got the eToro account. It's valued at $1,473.01. I'm up $498.52, and I do have $100.49 of buying power. Some of the things you can see here is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, ADA, Cardano, and Miota. Taking a look at ADA Cardano, it is at 91 cents per coin. It was up 2.96% today, up about 2 cents. I put in $51, now valued at $133.62. I am up a nice 162%. And a total dollar gain of $82.62. So as you can see, I've just about doubled my money. So it's doing pretty well here. Then we got Miota. This is at 94 cents per coin. It was up 10.63% today, up about 9 cents. I put in $31. It's now worth $63.46. It is up 104.70%. I did double up my money on this play thus far. Total dollar gain of $32.46. Then we got XTZ Tezos at $4.08 per coin. It was up 9.21% on the day, up about 34 cents. I put in $98. It's now valued at $127.89. It is up 30.50%. Total dollar gain of $29.89. Then we got XLM Stellar, 42 cents per coin, was up 5.67% on the day, up about 2 cents. Put in $56, is now valued at $85.58. It is up 52.82%. Total dollar gain of $29.58. Then we went ahead and made some withdrawals. We withdrew $23.80 out of the Robinhood. Withdrew $557.25 out of the public account. Withdrew $9.99 out of Cash App. Withdrew $545.26 out of the public account. This here was out of the, this is public. This was out of the stash account. So yeah, and this is the public account. Sorry about that. Then we withdrew $529.04 out of the moomoo account. Withdrew $640.11 out of the Ameritrade account, and withdrew $307.12 out of the Fidelity account. Lastly, we withdrew $991.68 out of the M1 Finance account. Then we went ahead and purchased $2.84 of main capital in the Robinhood account. This was profits I had from selling 1 share out of the moomoo account of Main Street Capital. So we made $2.84 on that swing trade, got our principal back. So that would be 8% of a share riding on the house's money. Then we sold $11 of plug power out of the Cash App. We had some significant gains on this play. We did leave those gains in Cash App, so them gains stayed in plug in the Cash App, and we just took out our principal. So we'll have house money shares riding risk free as well. Then we went ahead and purchased $1 worth of ticker GLW. It was about 2% of a share. I did have $1 profit from selling, cornering out of the Cash App account for $12.14. Then we went ahead and sold ticker EWZ. This is an iShares Brazilian ETF. We sold at $12.62. We did take a 38-cent loss on this trade. Then we sold out of Pfizer for $12.98 in the Cash App account. We lost 2 cents on that trade. Went ahead and purchased $1 of ticker SPR in the Robinhood account, 2% of a share. And that's Spiral Aero Systems. We sold out of the Cash App for $15.34. So we had about $1 profit on that trade. Then we had a SPDR. It's a select sector fund, energy select sector fund. We sold it out of Cash App for $16. We also had significant gains on this one, as Cash App allowed us to leave those gains in the market. When the profit's very low, Cash App will make you sell out of the entire position. That's why you see me taking those small amounts and reinvesting them back in Robinhood and just pulling out my principal. So this one, once again, similar to Plug, left those gains in the market. Same thing with L Brands. We pulled out our $17 worth of principal. We left our gains in the market in the Cash App. Same thing with Walgreens, ticker WBA. We pulled out our $18 worth of principal, left the gains in the Walgreens to ride out long term on the house's money. Same thing with Delta Airlines, ticker DAL. Put out our $19 worth of principal. The gains stayed in the Cash App under ticker DAL, and that's going to ride out long term risk free. Then we did the same thing with ExxonMobil. We put out our $20 principal, left those gains in the Cash App under ticker XOM to ride out long term. Then we went ahead and bought $1 worth of ticker MO Altria Group, which is 2% of a share. We did make $1 profit off the trade. We sold $21.80 worth out of the Cash App, which $1 of that was profit. Then we had XPEV. We put out our $22 principal. We left those gains in the Cash App under ticker XPEV. Boy Gaming, same thing. Put out our principal. We had significant gains. Left those gains in the market in the Cash App. Then we have Room. Same thing. Put out our $24 principal. We had gains on this play as well. Left those gains in the market in the Cash App. So we got our principal back. Same thing with American International Group, ticker AIG. Put out our $25 worth of capital or principal, however you want to call it. The gains, left them in the market. So those are going to be free house money shares or fractional shares. Then we had ticker UAL. We sold for $25.80. We did take a 20-cent loss on this play. Then we had Aflac, ticker AFL. Put out our $27 worth of principal. Left those gains in the Cash App in the market. Then we went ahead and sold 1 share of DFEB. This is the Equality Deep Buffer ETF. We sold it at strike price for $32.70. Took a 30-cent loss on that trade. Then we purchased $1 DFEB in the Robinhood account. I'm sorry, so we didn't take a loss. We actually made $1 profit. Sorry about that. Then we sold SPDR, Bloom Berkeley's short-term high-yield bond ETF, ticker SJNK, for $3.30. What I did here was I actually sold it out of 2 different accounts. So I had some in the Robinhood account. We had 1.26 shares at $34.38. These 2 combined both had gains. So what I did was in the public account, I didn't sell out of the entire position. I actually sold out just enough of the position to leave the gains from both of these plays in the market, and then we just sold out of everything in the Robinhood account, if that makes sense. Then we had ticker FBCG, sold $48 worth out of the public account, left those gains in the public account, just put out our principal. Then we got PFEB, sold $37 worth. This is the Innovator S&P 500 Power Buffer ETF. Once again, I had it both in 2 different accounts. So we sold everything out of Robinhood for $41.03. It was 1.51 shares. And then we only pulled out $37 worth of principal. So the gains I had under both those accounts, we left them all in the public account. And we got all of our principal back. Then we sold 1.75 shares of ticker BNDC, which is Flex Shares Trust Core Select Bond Fund. We did take a small loss on that play. Then we purchased $3.08 of Main Street Capital, which is 9% of a share. Then we went ahead and deposited $8 into the Robinhood account. We went ahead and purchased $4 worth of FBCG in the public account. This is Fidelity Blue Chip Growth ETF. We purchased $1 of PFEB in the Robinhood account, which is 3% of a share. That was the gains we had from selling the little position we had which is only a $2 position. It was 7%. We did make $1 on that trade, but we sold that out of the Fidelity account. Okay, now we got some stock picks for you. 4 high yield dividend stocks you can safely buy if the market crashes. We got IBM, ticker IBM. We got Duke Energy, ticker DUK. Ultra Group, ticker MO. And Annual Capital Management, ticker NLY. Now looking at the market, some people say a crash is coming. I would say we have a nice pullback ahead of us, or possibly a correction. And these are just 4 high yield dividend stocks that you guys can put money into to kind of be a hedge against that type of market. Then I got 2 growth stocks that are still worth buying. We got good old Apple, AAPL, and we got Pinterest, ticker PINS. Both of these stocks are still going to rise and increase in value significantly here in 2021. Then we got Miota here in the eToro account. It's at 99 cents per coin. Is up 16.43% on the day, up 14 cents. I put in $31. It's now worth $66.78, up 115.42%. Total dollar gain of $35.78. Now that'll complete the video for today. So I gave you guys a few stock picks, as well as I showed you guys some crypto gains I had today, and I showed you the 27 positions I sold out of, and I locked in those profits, locked in those gains, got my principal back out. As you can see, I made a few withdrawals from several different accounts today, just pulling out that principal. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you like the video, hit the like button. I would really appreciate it. Leave a comment below, hit that description, hit those affiliate links, follow me on social media, hit the bell and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.